inattention had been given it more focus in the previous years. That's why it was an eye-opener. Nagstorya mini kagawad burning na siya. Mamtas kung kaliton ko sa Ginoo nga makadaog ko sa tourism ko sa She wanted to be one of the tourism committee because we really wanted to push this, not just for the Higalay, but really as a sustainable project that will really develop our talents in Cagayan de Oro. So in behalf of Mayor Clarence Oy, because this is also really his dream na to really come up with our local brand of talents that will not only be singing pop songs and covering reputable artists already, but to really come up with our original, our homegrown talents here in Cagayan de Oro City. So in behalf of Mayor Clarence Oy, I would like to officially open the first Sunampat, the Sonata and Alampat Putkam and the Higalay Festival, Music and Arts Festival. Thank you so much and good afternoon.
Sheila
Salamat to our Chief of Staff, the Chief of